Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Git on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to git-scm.com. Click the Download for Windows button. This will take you to the download page. On this page, you'll see several options. Just click where it says, "Click here to download the latest version," and your exe file will start downloading. Once the download finishes, open the file. If you get a message asking for permission, click Yes. Now, the setup wizard will open. You can leave most options as they are. Click Next through each screen until you get to Install. Git will now install on your system. This usually takes just a minute or two. Once it's done, click Finish. To make sure Git is installed correctly, open your command prompt. Type Git version and hit Enter. You should see the version number of Git displayed, which means you're all set. That's it. You've installed Git on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.